Encumbrances and liens are some of the most frequently tested topics on the Arizona real estate exam. Many exam questions are designed to test whether you understand how claims against property affect ownership and transfer of title. Welcome to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series. In this module, we're covering the core concepts of encumbrances and liens. Let's begin with the definition of an encumbrance. An encumbrance is any claim, lien, charge, or restriction that affects the title or use of real property. Encumbrances do not necessarily prevent ownership, but they limit how the property can be used or transferred. Encumbrances fall into two major categories: financial claims and non-financial restrictions. Financial claims include liens. Non-financial restrictions include things like easements, deed restrictions, and encroachments. Let's focus first on liens, which appear frequently on the exam. A lien is a legal claim against property used as security for a debt. If the debt is not paid, the property may be used to satisfy that obligation. There are two major types of liens tested on the Arizona real estate exam: voluntary liens and involuntary liens. A voluntary lien is created when the property owner willingly uses the property as collateral for a loan. The most common example is a mortgage or deed of trust. The owner agrees to place the lien on the property in order to obtain financing. An involuntary lien, on the other hand, is placed on property without the owner's consent. These liens usually result from legal or financial obligations. Examples include property tax liens, mechanics liens, and judgment liens. Another important classification is specific liens versus general liens. A specific lien attaches to a particular property. For example, a mortgage or property tax lien applies to a specific piece of real estate. A general lien attaches to all property owned by the debtor. Judgment liens are a common example of general liens. Understanding the difference between specific and general liens is a common exam question. Now let's discuss lien priority. Lien priority determines the order in which creditors are paid if a property is sold to satisfy debts. In many cases, the rule is first in time, first in right. This means the lien that was recorded first typically has priority. However, there is an important exception on the Arizona real estate exam. Property tax liens almost always take priority over other liens, regardless of recording order. That is a key concept to remember. In Part 2, we'll walk through Arizona-style exam questions about encumbrances and liens and break down common traps the exam uses. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.